Yo, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy here, Abdul here from Tech 112. Yo, got something amazing today. Something great. Something which CS drop it down today. So I got some pictures from my craze. He did something great. His name is MKBHD, and he was there at CS. No, he was there, but he's definitely there. No, he was there at CS, and he was at the Razer place whereby they give out the new tech stuff. So this tech is called Linda, and it has a little bit of a great kind of stuff. So I thought that I could share with you guys. So this is not actually a full tech of it. This is a prototype. Now, what they did, these guys, they brought a laptop. The laptop which supports your smartphone in it. But there's a kind of problem which I was thinking upon that kind of project. It's a good project. I won't making any louder noise on it like whoa, like Razer, stop that. What are you doing, Razer? Please, no. Actually, the project it's okay, but the problem is, as you can see, guys, on the trackpad here, there's a little bit of slowness because this is a touch screen, right? And how does it process on the laptop? How does it take all of it? Because we can say that this is a fully laptop because it doesn't have all the kind of components inside it. It just have some fewer stuff like a circuit board which transform your phone into a cast, like it's just a cast screen on your display. I think you feel me, guys. It's like you're having a TV, you're casting it live. No, something like that, which is amazing. But I think that the kind of project that they'll, if it goes like they wanted to bring it to life, fully to life, what they'll do is they'll fix everything. Like they'll adjust the ports, adding some HDMI port on it, they'll fix many stuff. But there's a little bit of a problem. What if your device is running out of storage? Because we all know that perhaps I may have a 64 GB storage and I have a lot of stuff inside my smartphone, and I have a little bit of a PC which Razer gave us, and it's perhaps it's out of store, and I purchased it, and I just take my phone and I dongle in on it. Then I'm kind of running on the storage. What will it be? Just think about it, guys. What will it be? Perhaps I'm thinking that it's like a cloud stuff will be brought inside the laptop or inside the phone, which can access the storage somewhere, something like that, which is really legit. So this is the project of Razer, and it's called Linda. I think it's very impressive, and I think these guys, they're doing great on their project. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very impressive, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe because it will be very impressive and it will be very great. So thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.